Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Today, we're diving into something cutting-edge, custom 3.5 grams mylar bags. With their sleek design and perfect size for your 3.5 grams products, these bags are the ultimate choice for packaging perfection. And here's the kicker. Not only do these bags look sleek, but they also ensure your products stay fresh and protected. These bags offer a combination of style and functionality that's unmatched. So, if you're ready to elevate your brand's packaging game and make a lasting impression, look no further than custom 3.5 grams mylar bags. Don't miss out on the opportunity to showcase your products in style and stand out from the crowd. Contact us today and let's transform your packaging vision into reality. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.